King, it's Miss Tiffany. I want to wish you a happy 12th birthday, and I wish you many, many more. Enjoy your
with my bro from Morningside, he go by Bubba and he hit that dance like thunder. Okay, I ain't from Dallas, but I lead town boogie. I show my moves on to everybody trying to do me. I lead the functions and all the ladies trying to screw me. Now you just do you, and I'ma do it all day. Dudes love to hate, so they try to shoot me. Females be stuck to me, I think they try to glue me. I make the party shine bright when it started gloomy. This beat was bubble gum, so I had to chew it.
Taste me how to duck, taste me.
Baby, what's up, King? 12 years old. So proud of the young man that you're becoming. Keep up the good work. Through a positive attitude and consistency, you can do anything that you want to do in this world, okay? Love you so much. Such a treat to watch you grow up. Many, many more blessings to you. Love you, man.
Who don't know me, I know I'm from the West, but I can teach you how to Dougie. I step up in the club and all these girls bug me. Your boy dancing, none of them know me. I hear the squad screaming like, hey, get it, Brody. So I move my shoulders and I take it real low. They like how we do that, he can Dougie on the floor. And when your boys stop, they like Dougie some more. I'm like, your boy kinda tired, and I pass it to the bro and boom. Show these cats how to do that. Down south dance that we learned a little too fast and brought it to the hood and got the whole crew.
Happy 12th birthday, Kingston Josiah the White Ribbon. You are my reason. I am so proud of you, and I hope you continue to be the great kid that you are, and know that mommy loves you.
Taste me how to duck, ay. Taste me how to duck, taste me how to duck, ay.
Everybody love me, everybody love me, everybody love me. You ain't messing with my Dougie.
Hey.
Back of the party, I don't really like to boogie. I'ma put up in the way and try to meet a red bone. She do her Dougie and every girl hating, but I'm thinking about escaping with her to head home. She got a friend, so it's a two-man, and I wanna run it even if her legs long. She like you hubby, I think she love me, but I changed the subject and I do my Dougie. All the bros call me
Birthday King. I love you, love you, love you, love you. From your Gigi, enjoy your special day. You're growing so fast. My special oldest grandson. Love you to pieces. Enjoy your day, big boy.
when everybody clubbing and they yell CSD.
They know we keep it bumping.
Taste me how to duck, taste me how to duck, taste me how to duck, taste me.
Happy birthday, King. I hope you have a wonderful 12th birthday. Love you, big boy. Have a wonderful day.
Happy birthday, Kingston. Hope your 12th is the best. Miss Tina loves you.
Happy birthday, King. This is Auntie Nikki. Just want to wish you a happy 12th birthday. Hope you're enjoying your birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Kingston, my buddy, bro. Buddy, bro. Buddy, bro. That's not your buddy, bro. That's mine because I fight with you. This is my fight, bro. I fight him, and I fight him.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Average game truck parties are a virus, but gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Happy birthday.
Gamer versus gamer.